You just entered AshongLabs, a place to break down barriers and build up your cyber skills. What is going on, cyber warriors? Jason Ashong back with another video, and today we're going to be diving into the advent of Cyber 2025 Day 4 Room, AI and Security, Old Saint Nick. The description says we're going to be unleashing the power of AI by exploring its uses within cybersecurity. AI assistants are just about everywhere now. Every vendor is trying to push some type of AI powered product. Some of it is just marketing, but a lot of it, honestly, it is real. AI is being used right now to speed up workflows, help people reduce repetitive tasks, and giving analysts, pen testers, everyday people like myself more time to focus on things that require actual human judgment rather than things that can be sorted out by a computer. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at how AI can help defensive security, offensive security, as well as software development security. How AI can help the blue team, red team, and the software development lifecycle team. Start your machines up if you have not already, and let's get to it. This is the IP address. This is the IP address of our target machine. That in here. And now this is going to bring us to the web interface of our chatbot. If you guys haven't already, I would highly recommend reading through the introduction. At least it's gonna give you the learning objectives. So how AI can be used as an assistant in cybersecurity, using an AI assistant to solve various tasks within cybersecurity, and then some of the ethical considerations in cybersecurity surround the use of AI. Some of the considerations, not even just ethics. And then task 2, this is going to give us some more knowledge about AI in cybersecurity. And then it's also going to give us some tips down here. This right here is the URL that we're going to browse to get to our SolveIT, or our chatbot right here. So this interactive lab will showcase how AI can be used across 3 areas of cybersecurity: red team, blue team, and software security. This is what I was talking to you guys about earlier. Red team is offensive security, blue team is defensive security, like SOC analysts, and software security is the people that are developing certain codes, certain applications, or whatever. The showcases will unlock as you progress, but you can revisit any stage you have completed by clicking the stage name on the left. All right, so let's go. Welcome to the Red Team Showcase. I can help you generate Python scripts for the vulnerabilities within the web app of today's advent of cyber web application. Yes, please. You know, it's always beneficial to be nice to your AI. This took a little bit of time. I think it took maybe like a minute or two. But now our chatbot is generating the text that it should be. So right now it's saying that there's a SQL injection vulnerability that we can use on this website. So now it's giving us the steps to do so. Right here, open a terminal or text editor, and then open nano script.py. Nano is just a text editor, and then script.py is what we're going to call the script. And then we should so right here is our payload. So we're going to copy this and then paste it into our script.py. And before we click enter, just make sure to get to your target IP address right here. This is the machine that we're targeting. Or this is the web app that we're targeting. Make sure you put that into your code. I did this a little bit ago. It just didn't run, and I couldn't figure out why. It's because there's like a placeholder right here. It says machine IP. Switch that, then enter your IP address. Our IPs are going to be a little different because TryHackMe generates these every single time you spin up a machine. But Control X, Control Y, and then hit enter to save it, and then we can run our script. So Python 3 and then script.py, and our script status code 200 just ran. Right here is just giving us some information, HTML about the web page. It says you have successfully logged into the system. Welcome, admin. And then here's our flag right here. Try hack me SQLI exploit. Let's copy this real quick and paste this into, this is going to go into our second one. This one, it says complete the AI showcase by progressing. We're not done yet. And then this is the SQLI exploit. Boom. So we got our second flag, our first flag technically. But now let's go through the rest of this to see if we can get it. Yes. It's just saying, let's solve this stage together. Basically, the chatbot saying that it can analyze logs for us. Ask me to analyze an example set of logs for the attack that we just performed. I probably should have asked it to actually do that, but I just said yes. Let's see what happens. All right, this chatbot is really slow, or this AI-powered assistant is really slow, but now it's generating our entry for us. So AI assistant log entries. So right here is telling us this is the log that was captured from our attack, and this is like a short analysis of our attack. IP address. This is our IP address that's accessing the web server. Time and date that the attack occurred. URL, what login page was accessed. And then the username Alice was attempted, which is part of a SQL injection attack. The password parameter includes a malicious string like Alice or like apostrophe Alice apostrophe or 1 equals 1 minus minus plus minus, which are both SQL injection prompts. So that was giving us a rundown from the blue team perspective on how an AI-powered assistant or a chatbot can help you with analyzing or parsing through logs. It just went through our log and then it gave us all this information. So let's complete the stage to continue, and then now it's welcome to the software showcase. I can help you identify vulnerabilities in source code. Shall we take a look at the source code of today's Advent of Cyber Web App? So now it's this is the software security point. So the software development security, and we are going to let our AI think. All right, our AI is done, and now let's analyze what it gave us. So up here, it's giving us a PHP code snippet. It's pointing out like exactly to us what is the problem. Post name and post password has empty strings of. They have a bunch of different practices or a bunch of different tools and techniques that you can use. They have OWASP, ZAP, or SQL map for penetration testing. You can do static code analysis tools like NSET to identify potential issues, or you could just teach students to validate their input and use environment variables for database credentials. So that is it for this lab. And now you click the complete showcase, and then you get the first flag, second flag, and I think we are done for the day, guys. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos. And just please let me know if you guys want a specific video. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Peace out, YouTube.